Hey guys, welcome to Tech Program YouTube channel. In today's video, what I'm going to show you about how you can use Yoast SEO plugin with your WordPress website. Also, I'm going to show you how you can connect your website with Google Webmasters and Bing Webmasters and Yandex Webmasters. For who don't know what is Yoast SEO is a search engine optimization plugin for WordPress. This plugin has 5 million active installations and has been downloaded more than 310 million times, and also this is the #1 WordPress SEO plugin currently in the market. Okay, let's get it started. First you need to log into the WordPress admin panel. Navigate into plugins and click on add new. In the search bar, search for Yoast SEO. Click on install now. Click on activate. In here you can see that the plugin is activated successfully. Go to SEO and click on general. Click on dashboard and click on configuration wizard. Click on option A, my site is live and ready to be indexed, and click on next. Select your site type from here. In my case it is a blog. Click on next. In here I am gonna represent as a person, so I'm gonna select the person option, and you need to select the name of the person. Click on next. I need posts and pages in search results, but I do not need cloud templates in search results, so I'm gonna select no for the cloud templates. Click on next. In this option, even I have multiple authors, I'm gonna select no, because there can be some complications if you select yes, and in this case I'm gonna select no and click on next. In this point you can see my website name, and you have to select a title separator, and in my case I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna change my website name like this. And click on next. In here I'm gonna keep the selected option as it is, and I'm gonna click next. Click next again. Now we are done with the configurations, and click on close. Click on the search appearance in the SEO option. Click on the content type, and from here I am gonna change my SEO title for posts. And I am gonna add excerpt for my meta description. So what this excerpt option does is it's add the summary of your article into the SEO meta description. I'm gonna change other SEO titles also same as the post SEO title. I'm not gonna change cloud templates details because I'm not gonna use that. Okay, let's save the changes. Click on the taxonomies. In here I'm gonna keep the term title as the SEO title for categories, tags and formats. If you added any description for the categories, then the summary of that description will be shown from this excerpt tag. I am gonna do the same change for the tags and formats as well. Let's save the changes now. Click on General and navigate into the Webmaster tools to configure the webmasters to the website. Let's configure the Google Webmaster first. Search for Google Search Console. Click on the first result you got and log into the Google Search Console. Since I have already a Google Search Console account, I'm gonna add a new website. I'm gonna use the URL prefix option to verify the website. Copy and paste the URL and click on continue. From here, copy the HTML tag. Open the Yoast SEO Webmaster tool and paste the copied HTML tag into the Google verification code input box and click on save. Go back to the Google Search Console and click on verify. You can see that the site is successfully verified. Click on done. Now let's connect our website with Bing Webmaster tool. Open the Bing Webmaster tool. I am gonna sign in with the same Google account which I use for Google Search Console, so I can easily import the website information from Google Search Console to Bing Webmaster tool. I am gonna import the website details from Google Search Console. You can see that we have successfully verified our website in Bing Webmaster tool as well. Now let's open the Yandex Webmaster tool and click on login. In here also I'm gonna use the same Gmail account which I use for Google Search Console. I'm gonna add my website link from here. Open the meta tag section and copy the meta tag. Navigate into the Yoast SEO Webmaster tools and paste the copied meta tag into the Yandex input box and click on save. Go into the Yandex Webmaster tool and click on check. This option will check and verify our site. You can see now our website is now showing in the Yandex Webmaster tool. The other thing which I needed to show you is how you can add sitemap into the Google Search Console. Let's see how we can do that. After your website name, type sitemap_index.xml and it will render the sitemap XML in the browser like this. Copy this URL and navigate into Google Search Console. Click on Sitemaps. Paste your copied URL here, and here you just have to add the sitemap XML file name and click on submit. You can see that the sitemap is successfully submitted. Once you submit, sometimes it gives an error saying couldn't fetch. It is a bug from the Google Search Console, and give it a couple more days and it will get submitted into the Google Search Console. And once it is started to index, it will show the status as success. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please add it in the comment section so we can give you an answer. If you think those tips and tricks helpful, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to our channel.